Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about Zelle, a popular peer-to-peer payment app. I've been using Zelle for a while now, and I've found it to be a really convenient way to send and receive money. In this video, I'm going to answer the question, how quickly does Zelle transfer money? I'll also be discussing some of the other benefits of using Zelle, as well as some of the drawbacks. So, if you're interested in learning more about Zelle, or if you're just looking for a quick and easy way to send money to friends and family, then be sure to watch this video all the way through. Have you ever been in a situation where you needed to send money to someone quickly? Maybe you were borrowing money from a friend to help you pay for a bill, or maybe you were splitting the cost of a meal with a group of friends. If so, then you know how important it is to have a fast and reliable way to transfer money. That's where Zelle comes in. Zelle is a free app that allows you to send and receive money from friends and family. All you need is their email address or phone number. Once you've set up your Zelle account, you can send money to anyone in your contacts list. Simply enter the amount you want to send, and then select the recipient's name. The money will be transferred to their account instantly. One of the best things about Zelle is that it's available 24/7, 365 days a year. So, you can send money at any time, from anywhere in the world. Another benefit of using Zelle is that it's secure. All of your transactions are encrypted, so you can be sure that your money is safe. Zelle transfer speed. Now, let's get to the main question, how quickly does Zelle transfer money? In most cases, Zelle transfers money instantly. However, there are a few factors that can affect the transfer time. The recipient's bank. If the recipient's bank is not participating in the Zelle network, then the transfer may take up to 3 days. The recipient's device. If the recipient is using an older device, then the transfer may take longer. The recipient's location. If the recipient is in a different time zone, then the transfer may take longer. In general, though, you can expect your money to be transferred to the recipient's account within a few minutes. Other benefits of using Zelle. In addition to being fast and secure, there are a few other benefits of using Zelle. Free. Zelle is a free app to use. Easy to set up. It's easy to set up your Zelle account using your bank account or debit card. Convenient. You can send and receive money from anywhere in the world, at any time. Secure. All of your transactions are encrypted. Drawbacks of using Zelle. There are a few drawbacks to using Zelle. Limited availability. Zelle is not available in all countries. Not all banks participate. Not all banks participate in the Zelle network. Fees. Some banks may charge fees for using Zelle. Overall, I think Zelle is a great way to send and receive money. It's fast, secure, and easy to use. If you're looking for a convenient way to transfer money, I highly recommend giving Zelle a try. With that said, thanks for watching. If you have any questions about Zelle, please feel free to leave a comment below. And be sure to subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. I hope this video has been helpful. If so, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Thanks for watching.